students. Now today's topic is 4 operation in class 5 standard 5 also. Now I start the 4 operation. Now let's start. Okay, the basic operation in mathematics B, I already said my in previous video, that is addition, subtraction, division and production. That means multiplication also. If you learn the all table, then the maths is very easy for you. And now the basic 4 operations are you know very clearly and properly. The whole throughout the year, the mathematics up to 12, up to honors, whatever, the mathematics is very easy. Okay, now you learn, you listen very carefully and just discuss about basic 4 operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, that means product also, and divide. Now I discuss basic 4 operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, that means product also, and divide. Now you just do the addition of how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 34 lakh 8,125 and 2 lakh 76,048. You just addition like this. 8 plus 5. Okay, you know 13. 3 and 1 carry over here. You just like 1 carry over here. Then 4 plus 2 6 and 1 carry 7. Then 1 plus 0 1 also you write. And 8 plus 6 14. 4 and 1 carry over here. And 7 plus 1, that is 8. And then you add 4 plus 2 6 and 36. This is the answer of the addition. Now I discuss about the division, subtraction also. When here is 0 and the even lower is any other number, then you decide what means 0 means 10 also. Okay, then 10 minus 6, that is 4, and 1 is borrowed from here, just you cut here and put it 9 also. Okay, and 9 minus 2, that is 7, and here also with 10 you borrowed from here. This is you cut and put 0 here. 0 means again 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2. You borrowed 1 from here also. That is you write 2 here. 2 means 12. Because 4 is greater than 2. That's why 2 means here 12. 12 minus 4, 8. And you borrowed 1 from here also. This is 5. 5 minus 0. This is also 5. And then you do here 5 minus 9. That means 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9, what is this? 15 minus 9 is 6. And 1 borrowed from here also. You cut here 7 and put it here 7. Okay. This is the answer of the subtraction. Now I say one thing. You just check your sum is correct or incorrect. You just add these two numbers and the number become this. Okay. Now you add. This is the checking process of subtraction. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 and 1 carry over. And 7 plus 2, 9, plus 1, 10 also. 0 here and 1 carry over. And 8 plus 2, 10 and 1 carry, 11. 1 and 1 carry, again 1 carry. And 8 plus 4, 12 and 1 carry, 13. 3 and 1 carry over. And 5 plus 1, 6 here I put here. And 9 plus 6 is 15. And 1 carry over. And 7 plus 1 is 8. The answer is correct. This is the checking process. What is the checking process? You just addition these two numbers, the number is coming out. Okay, this is the checking process of subtraction. Now I discuss about the product. Okay, what is this? All of you know the table also. 4 2s are first you do product here. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14 and 1 carry over, and 9 2s are 18 and 1 carry 19. Then you block here and 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 7 1s are 7, 9 1s are 9. Then you block here 4 3s are 12, 1 carry over, and 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7, and 7 3s are 21, 1 and 2 carry over, 9 3s are 27, plus 2, 29 also. Then again you do the addition. Yes. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is here. And 4 plus 2 plus 2. Again 8. Then 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9, 30. And 14 plus 9, 23. 3 and 2 carry over. And 2 is carry over. And 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 and 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 and 1. And 2 plus 1, 3. This is the answer of this product. Okay. Now I discuss about the division also. 8, 1, 2, 6 divided by 23. Okay. When you do the division of this number, you don't know the table also, this one. Just you multiply this and you just come near about this number. Okay. 4 2 is 8. Is it correct? But when you multiply 4 to 3, this number is greater than 8 to 1. That's why you just multiply it by before 4, 3 number. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 also. Okay. You just listen carefully. Yes, this is the easiest process. That's why I say the name of the channel is Fearless Maths Class. This is the easiest process. You just remember, when you take first two number you take and multiply this number and the coming out to the nearest of this number. Okay. Now you just subtract. What is this? 1 means 11. I just discussed again here. 11 minus 9, 2 and 1 carry over. Then you cut it here also. Then that is 1 also. Now the 2 is become coming here. Yes. Then 6 2s are 12. But you don't take 6. Because when you multiply by 6, 3, this is 18 and this is very bigger number of this. That's why you take 5. Before 6, 5. 3 5s are 15 and 1, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. Yes. Now you subtract and this is coming and then 7 and 1 carry over. Now this one is 0. This one also is 0. The 7 and 6 is coming out and then what is this? What is this? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 also you take. Okay, now 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 also. Okay. Now you just, I not put here is 5. I put here 5 and here is 3. This is 69. Then 16 minus 6 means 16. 16 minus 9 is 7 and 1 carry over is, yes, 7 is remainder. Now the quotient be 353, remainder be 7, divisor be, all of you know na divisor. This is quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor, all of you know, and this is the dividend. All of you know how to check. The checking process is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You just put it here and you come back this number. Okay. Now 353 into 23 plus 7. Then the number is coming out. What is this? This number is coming out. The multiplication is 8119 plus 7. This is 8126. This is the dividend. Now this is checked also. Okay, this is the checking process. All of you go to the next portion of the video. Please pause the video and write all these things in your copy, and you collect from any book, anywhere. You collect, add, subtract, multiply and division. Do in your copy. This is my heartiest request. Please do. Now I discuss about some properties of addition and multiplication. The first property be the commutative property. What is the commutative property under addition and multiplication? Look at this. Under addition, commutative property is if you add 23 plus 10, then and if you add 10 plus 23, the result becomes same, na? Yes. This is called the commutative property. You write in here left hand plus right hand, and then you write to change the place, the result becomes same. This is called the commutative property. And as same as in the multiplication, if you multiply 23 into 10, then 10 into 23, the result becomes same. 23 was a 23 and 0 is put here. This is called the commutative property under addition and multiplication. Now I discuss about the associative property. What is the associative property? The associative property, if you add this one, and if you do like this, the result becomes same. If you put bracket here, and then you put bracket here also, then you add 20, the result becomes same. Okay, now this is called the associative property. Now what is the answer? The answer is here is 38. 38 plus 15, the 38 plus 15, what is this? 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1, carry, and 3, 4, 5. Yes, 53. If you add here also, 15 plus 18, that is 33, 33 plus 20, that is also 53 also. Now, this same property hold in the multiplication also. If you multiply it like this, 20 into 30 plus 2, and you also do 20 into 30 into 2, the result becomes same. What is this? 30 to the 60, 60 into 2, 6 to the 12, and double 0 is put here. And like this, 3 to the 6, 600 into 2, 1200 also. This is called the, if you put bracket here and you put bracket here also, then the result becomes same. This is called the associative property. Now I discuss the identity property. What does the meaning of identity? What is the meaning of identity? The identity means if you add something with the any number, the any number is coming out. This is this number, which number you add, this is called the identity. And same thing also in the product. If you multiply any number with the given number, the result is given number, then which number you multiply, this is the identity. You don't understand now? Just giving the example, then you understand. What is this? This one is, if you multiplied 1, then this is the given number. You multiply by 1. The 22 is back. Then 1 is the identity element. Identity of multiplication. This is called the identity of multiplication. Okay. And now same thing. If you add 0 with 22, the 22 is back. Then here 0 is the identity. 0 is the identity of addition. Okay. Now 1 is the identity of multiplication and 0 is the identity of identity, 1 is the identity of under multiplication and 0 is the identity of addition. Is it clear to all? Now I discuss about the very important property. This is called the distributive property under addition and multiplication both together. Now what is this? Now I take an example. I discuss here also 15 multiplication 5 plus 13. Then you write this one is also 15 into 5 plus 15 into 13. The result becomes same. If you add then multiply, the result is what? Then you multiply and multiply, then you add, the result are same. The result is same. This property is called the distributive property. Then I do here 13 plus 5 18. Then 18 into 15. Now we do here 18 into 15. Then 15 8s are. Then 15 8s are 5 8s are 4 and 5 and 4 9 and 8 and 1. Then here and 1 carry, then 270. Okay, now this is 270. Now the question be here is 15 5s are 75, and then you just do the multiplication. 13 5s are 65, 5 and 6 carry, and 31 is 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 is 19. Then you add here 5 5 10 1 and 7 and to that. Then this is and this is the same. This is called the distributive property. This is a very important property under addition and multiplication also. Okay. Now I discuss about the properties of division and Bodmas rule also. Now what is the properties of division? Just you remember this. If you divided first one, any number with the same number, the result becomes 1. Like this, if you divide by the same number, the result becomes 1. And then the second property, if you divided by 1, the number remains same. Okay, this is the second property. And the third property, if 0 divided by any number, the number becomes 0. And this one is very important. And the fourth property is, if you divide by 0, this cannot possible, not possible. Okay, this is not possible. Understood? Now you must remember 0 cannot be divisor. You must remember. 0 cannot be the divisor. Okay, understood? Okay. Now I discuss about the Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule means B for bracket, O for off. First you in a simplification, first you do the bracket mark just like this, then off, then D for division, then M for multiplication, then A for addition, then S for subtraction. When you do the simplify, just you do like this. Understood? BODMAS. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, A for S for subtraction. Now I give an example. First here is in the bracket. First you do the division. Just you do division this by this. You do rough work also. By 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 6, 8 2s are 16, then 4, 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Then the answer become 4821 and bracket remove and multiplied by 5. Then 2500 minus 6489. Then what is this? Then you just do the, here is multiplication and subtraction. Which operation you do first? Multiplication you do first. Then you do the subtraction. Okay. Now you multiply 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 1 carry, 8 fives are 40 and 1 carry, 41, 1 and 4 carry, 4 fives are 20 and 4 24. Then you just do the subtraction first here and then do the subtraction in the last. Just you do the subtraction here. 5 minus 0 is here and here 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then this one and this one. 11 minus 5 is 6 also. And then this and this. And 1 borrowed also here. Then 3, 2, 1. And this one. Then you do the subtraction also. This one again you do the subtraction. Then 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. This 5 means 15 and 1 borrowed here 9. 9 minus 8 is 1 and then 1 borrowed here. This is 6 5. 5 minus 4 is also 1. Then 1 minus 6. 1 means 11. 11 minus 6 is 5 and 1 borrowed. Then 1. This is the answer of the simplification. You just do the simplification like this. First you do bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, now I start a word problem on the basis of the 4 operation. What is the word problem? A farmer sells 1 liter of milk for ₹11. Okay, in 1 month he sells 210 liter of milk. How much does he earn in a month? Okay, 1 liter milk price is 11 and 210 liters milk price is what? What do you do? Do just the smaller number is given and I asking the bigger number, bigger liter. That's why you do the multiplication. Okay, 1 is given and asking the 210, but bigger number is asking. That's why you do the multiplication. Then the right, what type of writing is there? Then you write cost of 1 liter milk is ₹11. Then cost of 210 liter milk is ₹11 into 210. Then you just do the multiplication. When you do the multiplication by 0 here, you just put 0 here. 11 ones are 11 and 1 carry. 11 twos are 22 and 1, 23 also. Then the answer become he earns in a month ₹2310. This is the pattern of writing of the word problem. Now I say some keywords, some tricky things. That's why, what is this? If you multiply it by any number by 0, the result becomes 0. Okay, very carefully. This is very carefully you remember it. If you multiply 0 with any number, the result becomes 0. If you multiply this one by the 10, okay, just you put this one 2 3 1 and then how many zeros are there? 00. Now if you multiply this one by 00, you just do this, write the number and put 00 in the back. If you multiply it by 000, 1000, then you just, this is become 12. Something into 1 is something. I already said this is the properties of identity. Something into 1 something. and you just put 0 in the back side of the number. Then the process is carrying on. Okay. Now the another thing is this. When you do this is for multiplication. This is for the multiplication tricky things, and the division tricky things also be what is this? Now division tricky thing is this: if you divided this one by 10, what is this? Just you cancel two zeros, then the right answer is 230. Okay, you don't do the division also. Now one thing and two thing be, if you do this one by 100 also, then cancel two zeros and the result become 23. Okay, then just follow the process. If the dividend be 0, divisor also be the 100, 10,000 like this, just you put the cancel zeros, then you do the division. And just like this also, then just here and divided by 10. Sorry, divided by 20. Okay. Now just like this. Just you cancel 0. Then you do the division by 2. Okay. Then 2 is just divided by 2 is 1s are 2, 2s are 4 and double 0 is put here. Just you remember two things. Just you remember few things. The maths is very easy. If you remember things, these things, the maths is very easy. Before going to the next part of the video, please pause the video and write down all these things and collect the sums from depends on these four operations and do in your home, in your copy. Please do the maths in your home under this topic, 4 operation, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. This is my request. Please don't sit alone. Don't sit free. Just do the practice maths and any other subjects also you do in your home in this lockdown session. Okay, now that's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel and share this video, and please press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all for today. Thank you very much.